Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're doing a special video that we're actually doing. So, you guys ever want to put some special letters on your videos or iTunes, go get some Video Maker. Pretty simple. So what you want to do, you want to carry your tablet, your device like this. You're going to put video edit. And then you can do like camera. I'm not gonna put this yet. So then and pretend like this. We're gonna edit this. We are going to.
Hi guys, it's me, Krista.
So we can go back and say like hi. Let's go to subtitles, like something with hi. So you want to go to front settings. What you want to do is you want front back like that, or you want it to pop up. Then you can put some color, guys. Like I'm gonna put some teal. It's just an So what you want to do, if you want it fancier like this, or pointier robot, anything you guys want, or whatever you guys want, and then you guys want to press OK and you just start the video, and it's there, guys. So guys, make sure you try this a lot. So I'm just doing one quick clip because we're gonna be playing a game I recently downloaded. We're gonna hello that. My sister, I don't know if she's watching. So today, wait. Alright guys, today's shout out is Jesse Taco Buddy. Mom, it's time for you to grow up your entire time. Mommy, no. First, let's do some practice, okay? Great. Tiny one hurry. Slowly lead to green target. Slowly, Mom, I don't want to go. Jesse's gotta go. Practice running. Okay. Run. We gotta run to the green target. Great job. It's time to find your first target. Alright. I'm sure I know. I'm howling. Oh my gosh, what's over there? Thank you. Oh my god. Let's keep the fox together with mom. Okay. Kill it. Yes! We defeated this fox. We can... Okay. So... Okay, I get it. Okay, I'm opening the chest. What? That's weird. So, family, we're gonna go to family. Okay, I don't know what to do. Free, I don't know. No. Exit. Ma'am, now you are ready to start your own adventure. Okay, I'm ready to start my adventure. My name, oh yes. My name is Annette, but I don't want to do that. I want to do a great name. Like Ellie. That's a great name. So what I want to do, I want to start here. Cool. I want to be a female. Can I be a... No, ew, my gosh, what happened there? Poor dude. Actually, I don't want that there though. Yeah.
Oh, that thing? What the heck?
Yeah, I'm not having that.
How are you doing that, Annette?
Ew, cool.
Annette, how did you?
That was cool.
Annette, how did you did that?
So
Annette,
Ellie, I want a female. Yes, we're a female.
Annette.
Finally. So
Annette, how did you?
it's a game from. I'm doing.
Oh,
I'm doing a video.
Game.
I am 8. Where is that? Am I going up? Oh yeah, we're supposed to go up, 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 up. We're not down. Well, here's my age.
You're not 7, you're 8.
How do I pick that? How do I confirm it? Ooh. Wait. Wait, what do we do?
I'm pooping by myself.
What do I do? I picked 8. This is how I'm gonna go.
Well, this game is more easier than you have to find a code.
5 years old? Do I need? Alright, let's pretend I'm 9. Press to change an animal, okay? Yes. I want to be a horse. It's legendary. I want to be a wolf. A fox. We can have, I don't want to be a fox. I need to be a wolf. Multiplayer. No, I'm not playing multiplayer. No.
I'm playing multiplayer.
I'm playing single. Let's do the winter
I'm playing
forest.
with my friend.
Alright, why should we not do it?
It's playing.
So
Why don't they just
why don't we play a different game more than Roblox?
How
Cause
can I die?
woo, run! Where can we find our first defeat teams? Where can we find our first prey? Where's our prey? They're
Wrong people here.
actually they're messing with the wrong wolves here. Hey, you're there.
Wrong dog here.
I wish my fox mom was here.
Where's my mate? Nate.
Look, the wolf is tired up himself. Ew, what is that? Well, it does have a lot of life. More than me. I only have 120. I'm gonna kill it. Kill, die. I died. No. I'm not going through that guy anymore. He's rude.
Who guy?
Those look like ostrich. An ostrich. Oh, never mind. I thought it was. Oh no. I want to level up. Can I level up?
You don't know how to level.
What are we doing? Wait, what's there? What's here? Yes, we found it. Oh my god, we found easy stuff to kill. Yes, kill them. I'm sorry, dears, but I gotta kill you. Just for my prey. I need something. They killed me. Okay, we want to go to our map. Alright, where do we want to go?
Run!
We want to go home. That's where we want to go. Okay. So we're going home, guys. Where are we going? Hey! Didn't I said I wanted to go home? I need to go home. There we go. Finally, I hope that works. How do I do this?
We have to kill that horse. We can't kill that horse. It killed us. We have to get
Hopefully this works out. Where do I go? Where's the map? So if I just go straight to that pond right there. So the pond is right here. Oh, okay. The pond is right there. You're messing with the wrong mission, baby.
Oh, yeah? You're missing the
Where am I though? Oh, I'm almost there. Hopefully I'm getting closer.
I'm in level, I don't know what level.
Am I there yet? Almost. We just need a couple of trees to go and we're there, I guess. Oh my god, no, please, I didn't mean to mess with you.
Stop, Mama. I didn't
Meant to hurt you. So, am I close? Yes, I'm close. No, please, don't kill me. Don't. I don't know where I'm going now. find my home again. Oh my god. We're gonna have to find another way
Now I
though.
don't have a mate. You, mate.
Let's go through this way. Sure. Hopefully I don't find him. Because if I don't get home, I'm gonna be sad. So seriously. Where am I going? Yes, I'm going. Where's my den? Where's my den? Where's my den? So my den's supposed to be through that water. So most
Where's the horses? Where's the something so I can battle?
someone's coming. This is the last round, guys. Hopefully I get home. So where is it? Where am I?
It's what level am I?
Yes! We're winning it. We're
Where is there a horse? Any horses? Hello?
Yes, we found the pond. Now where we want to go. So if we find the pond, then we want to go through across there. Okay. I'm almost home. Come on, I gotta go home. What if I don't make it home, guys? I want to go home. Very bad. I miss my home. Oh, I thought it was something.
I don't have a wall. Because I got the owner.
Oh my gosh. I gotta go this way. Hopefully I don't find nothing else because there's a fox back there. We're gonna have to take the long way. Wait. So where am I? So I'm almost home.
I can't find a victim to kill, but except a rat. I don't want to kill a rat. They're too easy.
I'm almost home. I'm coming to you home. I'm coming to you then, I should say. Let's go.
Use a teleport.
No, I can't.
Yeah, there is.
There's no
Oh,
Go. Hopefully I hire it. Where am I going? Yes, I'm going. Oh shoot, no, I'm over there. I'm going home. I'm trying to make sure I'm going the right way. Am I going the right way? Yes. Couple more steps, cheese to go, and I'm home. Hopefully there's no dangerous stuff through here.
There is.
No. There got to be no.
Oh, there's my mates. What are you doing, mate?
We're at a close home. Home, sweet home. Home? Where's my home at? Am I there? Oh, I'm almost there. Okay. Okay, run. I never give up. Can I get up here? Excuse me? I need to get up to... Come on, get up. Am I almost home? Yes, I need to get up through that big dumb mountain that's covering my way. I think we gotta take the other way. Oh my God. Ay. Don't like this. This is too hard. Finally, I got up and there's my den. Guys, there's my den. Alright, running to it.
It's not a den, it's a house.
No, I'm playing a different game, you bet. It's a den. Foxes live in dens.
Dang it.
Woo! Now we're jumping. Now we're talking. So, guys, we're gonna go see this. We're gonna do the fireworks. So, we got home. We finally got a home. Wow, what a big home. What a big nose you have. I can put things.
I need to find it. Oh my God. Where is
So I
your
found my
wallet?
home. It's a big home. It's a big home.
I need this.
Hopefully you guys love this video so much. So guys, I hope you guys love this video. So bye guys. Woo! Bye.